Not many people would think of milk as a sports drink, but it's actually really good at rehydrating you. If you compare it to sports drinks, which are actually highly formulated and use a lot of processed ingredients, milk is a natural product that offers all the same benefits while also providing other nutrients such as protein and vitamins and minerals. Surprisingly enough, milk is actually better than water at rehydrating you. It gets a little bit complex, but essentially the nutrients in milk, such as protein, the minerals and the sugars, help that absorption happen more quickly. This is because when those nutrients come into the body, the cells in your body need to open little doors or gates. And so this actually allows more water to flow in, sort of piggybacking off those nutrients as it comes into the body. Milk also has a low glycemic index, meaning that you don't get the same sugar crash that you would from a high glycemic index drink, such as a sports drink that's high in processed sugars.